We slowed down a little.
Oh.
You want me to get us going again?
Ah, we're good. Out here with the Lee Blanks. And a delicious charcuterie board. There used to be a plate.
There may or may have not.
You notice the table doesn't have ledges. Yeah, we've been racing this little boat over here. Or smaller than us boat. You see this on YouTube, sorry. Oh yeah, we got some good wind today. Shelly's got us heeled over. Going faster than theoretical hole speed. We're doing over 7. Pretty rad. Shelly's a sailing machine.
Yeah. Oh, okay. This is my charcuterie. Note to self, don't bring glass on the boat.
Make sure it's got a rubber bump.
Yeah. Got the flag halyard, flag's flying.
This is fucking fabulous, thank you.
Yeah, this is pretty killer.
See, I've never sailed before. That's great.
This is the best sailing we've done, man. It's the best wind we've had. These Lee Blanks are lucky. Captain Lee Blank. He's an officer now.